Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video I am going to show you how can you use Google Sheets for your personal work, for your office work. So what I am going to do, you can see here is my home page of Chrome. Here is my Google account, but here is Google Apps icon. I will click here and I will see YouTube, Gmail and many other options. But now in this video I am going to show you for Google Sheets how can you use Google Sheets. Here are also some other amazing options: Google Documents, Google Slides. In last video I have showed for how can you use Google Documents, but in this video I am going to show you how can you use Google Sheets. So I will click here and a blank sheet will open in front of me. Friends, I will show you how these templates work. These are really very amazing. I just love these Google Sheets for my personal use, for my business purposes, for my office work, for my school work, for my university work as well. This is really life changing. So what will you do? You will in this first part I will go for blank document. What will I do? I will just click here for blank document. Friends, you can see it is just like Microsoft Excel software that you maybe you have used in past as well. This is really amazing. All the features in Microsoft Excel are almost available here, and you do not need to take any of the worry if you are out of home and you do not have the access of Microsoft Excel in your laptop or in your computer, even or in your mobile. You can use this software in your mobile as well. So let's suppose I am out of home and I am in office, but I need this Microsoft Excel, but I do not have the access of MS Excel software in my laptop. So what will I do? I will just go to Google. I will just log in my Gmail account. I will just I will click here and I will go for Google Sheets, and you can choose any of the templates from here. Here are beautiful. Let me show you. Okay, Google Sheets. Friends, here are many beautiful templates like this. If you're going for a list, you can choose this one. If you're going for monthly budget, you can choose this one, and you can edit and you can add your stats here, and you can see this is really an amazing thing to do. And let's suppose I want to make some change here. I want to enter office. Unfortunately, what's going here is some error. Office budget for electricity. I'm not perfect in spelling, English spelling especially. Electricity. Okay, if you can change any of the thing from here and you can share with your friends, but I'm not going to show you. I'm going to show you how this blank document works. First of all, you can see it is untitled spreadsheet. I am going to change its name. My office office budget sheet. Okay, here's my office budget sheet, and you can see it is a success. I have successfully changed my name, and here are columns. Let's suppose I want to enter my clients' names and their work. So what will I do? I will just give it the title of name. I will phone number. Sorry, client ID. Client ID. Here is client. Okay, my internet is not too fast, unfortunately. Phone number, and you can write any of the thing here. His client clients. You can see as you can write as clients project. Here you can do one amazing thing. It is your heading, so you can make it bold, and you can change its style as well. You can change its font size as well. So friends, you can see, but unfortunately I have made some mistake. Here is phone number, and but I have missed some letters here. So what will I do? I will bring my mouse cursor to the center of C and D column, and I will just scroll like this. Okay, I need it for more. I have successfully done. I will just move it and make it in the center. So let's suppose my client's name is Kim William. Client ID is C 67T. Phone number is +1 and any of the random word. Let's suppose this one. And client project is SEO of his website, and I will enter his website name as well. Let's suppose I want to do SEO of his website. So friends, similarly you can do many amazing, you can use many amazing features from here, and you can after you have done your project, you will click on share, and you will copy link from here, and you can send to your friend. What will your friend do? He will paste link in the search bar, and he can see what you have shared with him. So this is the part number 1. In part number 2 I will show you how these templates of MS Excel slides works. So for more amazing video, for second part, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.